my Chankarki car, and last night we just landed in Prague. So this is the first day in Prague. So it's very fun, and I'm wearing 3-4 layers. This counts as a layer. This jacket I'm wearing under.
Which you will wear when you feel very cold.
Yeah. When my hands feel very cold.
So this is our hotel, and it is very conveniently placed. This is Padam getting a coffee for me. Thanks. And Kara. So today we will show our viewers where all you go in Prague.
Yeah.
And you're looking so cute. And that's my, scarf. And this is the cap you bought from Prague.
Yeah.
Because you forgot your cap in the hotel. Okay, just have a look. Bye, see you.
I'll see you where the first destination is. So guys, I'm wearing the jacket because it's really cold. And
With
my
a hot
dad-
coffee. Still it is very cold.
And my dad's got to get my mom's jacket because my mom only wants to be stylish. To get some good pictures.
But I think we should not be stylish, but we should stack up with us with clothes. Stack us up. It's so cold. Just look at Kyra. Actually, it's very cold, yeah?
It's not cold.
Acha, just see yourself. So now we are waiting for the tram to go to the castle. That's the tram station. And we have to catch tram number 22. Woo! Kyra. Autumn season.
Different kind of colors.
Bye. This is the ticket. Now we go to Prague Castle. I think it's behind that. Pada? Beautiful. Just take my picture. Guards welcoming you at the castle.
Like this car.
Castle.
Okay, I'll give the small one. Happy? Now she'll come in all the pictures.
Oh, cutie. 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 Kyra, this has all the, see reindeers. It's such a nice scarf. It has reindeers and all. Elsa
Now she'll
also.
come in all the pictures. Click.
Ooh, like it?
Okay, Papa, we have to do a challenge now.
First picture.
First challenge.
First picture. Okay, what is
Okay,
the
done.
challenge?
What's the challenge?
So, in the challenge, you have to take your hair, you have to put it on the rock, and you have to keep walking like that. And you can't stop. If you stop, you're out. And if you do it between the rocks, if you do it between the rocks, then you are again also out.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's do the challenge.
Accept.
So the challenge is that you have to walk, Kyra, again. Walk like what? Like
We
this.
have to walk us, we have to put our heels on the rocks, and if we do
He-
between, we are out. And also, if we stop walking, then also we are out.
Okay, chalo.
Okay,
Padam,
let's
let's start.
Oh, I press between the like that.
Papa is out, Kyra is in. Oh. So in the castle you're doing this challenge, right?
In the broadcast. Let's go and meet the king now.
And the queen.
King and the queen. Chalo. You want to meet the king and the queen?
Yeah.
So this is the king and
And
this is the queen.
this is the queen. Hanging. What are these? These two persons hanging.
Oh,
from these?
beautiful Prague
Wedding.
castle.
Maybe teach you. Can see two persons hanging. That person
Yeah, I'll show you. See this.
This in this tower also. They reach you.
They're trying to save
Oh, they are protectors.
protectors. Yeah.
Hi guys, Frog Castle.
Entry for the Prague Castle. It's 950 for the family, which will cover all these things: Old Royal Palace, St. George's Basilica, Golden Lane. Thank you.
This is the map. Okay. So where we are right now?
We have a visitor to the castle, the beautiful lady dog. So let's go and visit the castle, where the king and the queen used to stay. Guys,
We are really high.
we are going at the top of the castle.
Look from the window.
It is south.
Nothing is here. Chalo. It's all round and round stairs.
No, it's not. It's spiral stairs.
Spiral? Kyra, I'm out of breath.
Let's go.
What are you saying?
At least this is what it's.
I'm out of breath. I'm feeling claustrophobic. These steps are never ending.
No?
Yeah,
Oh, you have claustrophobia, that means.
yeah, I have.
I have
My God, Kyra. Too many steps.
We had the breakfast. It's gone down. We have to have lunch now.
Kyra, this is never ending. Where have you got me?
I didn't tell you, you told me.
You want to see the whole city?
I guess this is Bhubaneswar.
This is like never ending, Kyra.
That's the point. Oh, it's never ending stairs.
You know what?
What?
How many more? 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 Okay.
Finally reached.
After climbing for a never-ending steps of maybe half an hour. Never-ending
1
spiral.
minute. 1 minute.
No. After climbing like for never-ending, you can see the bird's view of Prague. I think so. Oh God, this is the view.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I knew this was worth it.
You knew?
Yes.
You know, we climbed from here. Oh God, never-ending.
I can see
Literally.
the airport.
Where? This is like
My
never-ending.
secret.
Oh, I'm still out of
We
breath.
have to go never ending stairs down now.
Huh?
We have to go never ending stairs down now.
Yeah, come, let's go and see that. Papa came now. How is it?
Too tired.
No, it was too
And there is no lift. Can you imagine?
That was like. That was.
It's worth it.
Fun.
Worth it? You know, guys, what? Farah, how did we ever able to climb here? You have to tell it to the viewers.
It was too tiring.
It was too
No, it was
tiring,
too
and
fun.
at the beginning we didn't have the tickets, so we were like, Kyra is free. We told the entry person she can go up and come back.
And
So
she
she
said,
said,
"You
okay. You also go. You also go. So she allowed us for free. But the view is amazing, definitely.
It was not that.
But now I can understand why she allowed us. Because now our breakfast is digested. We can go and have
Lunch.
beer.
Of course.
Champagne.
Babies are not allowed.
Baby is not allowed, okay?
Papa can have champagne.
In hotel it was free. In the breakfast, we didn't have.
But it looks like ants from here because they're tiny, miny.
Because you're at a height, so I'll show you all the people. Yeah, they look like ants. Can you see? This is the view. Amazing. That's the Charles Bridge there.
So guys, this is the Golden Lane.
Yeah, this is the Golden Lane of the Prague Castle. And this is Padam taking videos. I don't know for whom. And this we can go up. And this is the beautiful Golden Lane. Dada, come.
It's wooden products.
What happened?
You cannot take a picture.
Don't take her pictures. She'll only come in the videos.
So guys, welcome to the Golden Lane.
Wooden products. Okay.
They made owls, they made a tree.
It's too small a shop. Wanna see?
Let's go.
Oh my god, oh my god.
So guys, this is a shop for books.
Books, postcards. Postcards, books. All small shops. Okay, next one. Letter to the Father. The book, the famous one. Okay, these are small shops over here. Little house.
Little houses, architecture shop. Oh, see, they made
Oh, little houses. The
original
little house.
magnets made out of porcelain.
Small quarter. Okay, now next one. Original Czech jewelry. Okay.
My height.
Huh, this is your height, sure? Yeah. This is a jewelry shop. Okay, now next. Oh, this is so cute. Such a cute one.
This is even my height.
Another shop.
What is the golden thing inside the golden lane? I can see.
These small shops are the golden thing. These are also jewelry, I guess. This is a Daki gift.
16.
Daki gift. This is a gift shop.
T-shirt 399.
T-shirts, mugs.
Nice.
You wanna buy something? Come on, you shopaholic from the next shop. Another small, cute little shop. What is it?
It's a dining place.
Dining place. Oh, maybe it's, they're selling something to eat.
告诉你佛像 and we
Okay, now that's the end.
Mama, there's a goldsmith's
Goldsmith.
workshop. How they make gold.
Okay, that's a
Oh, the
goldsmith.
first original name came off the street from Goldsmith, who came here in 1560. That's why it's called the Golden Street.
Guys, now we're gonna go to have lunch and bye.
And we are out of the castle. We are out of the castle.
You can see many bridges from here. And this is the entire city.
And this is the way, this was the way out.
Can you count how many bridges are there?
And a special guest here who saw the castle. See the dog. Lot of dogs. Oh, this is the machine that keeps the castle so neat and tidy. Very nice. Thank you. Bye. Now we're gonna have lunch. Bye from the castle. There's something here. I don't know. Oh, I think that's the view. That's the view from here.
You can see it from the hole also. Come.
Oh, come, let's see the view from the hole. There's this hole that's empty.
Come.
Oh, this is such a small hole, Kyra. Can you see something? Be careful.
You can see.
We'll see from the thing. I think it's the top of
Whoa.
get down.
Bye, Mr. Castle.
Enjoyed your castle tour?
Yeah.
Yeah? Princess Castle. Okay, bye-bye. I'll show you a beautiful lane, guys.
I'm tired.
Come, come, come.
Follow you to follow you.
Come on, guys. Listen to the perfect leaf.
Oh, you found such a perfect leaf. Oh, so cute. So many leaves are there.
And they're all perfect.
Autumn season. And don't dare to wear heels because whole Prague you will have streets like this.
That's why we played the gap game.
I was about to get, heels.
Yes, I know that.
Thankfully. Rabbit teeth.
Charles Bridge in
Guys,
Paradise.
this is Papa.
Oh, sorry.
So guys, this is the yummy trailing. So we got it with chocolate inside, and it should be very nice.
It's sweet,
Yeah.
right? Okay, now let's go to Charles Bridge. The beautiful Charles Bridge of Paris.
Huh?
Of Prague. Kara, you want to feed a little one to this?
Yeah.
Throw.
No? Oh,
Trade link. I'm a pigeon. How little trade link? You want more? Say, Kara, please give me more.
searching for more.
Give me more. And he will say, give me more.
Guys, welcome to Charles Bridge, and I'll tell you why it's really famous. Charles Bridge was the most important connection between Prague Castle and the city's old town and adjacent areas. This land connection made Prague important as a trade route between Eastern and Western Europe. Charles Bridge is famous for its stunning architecture, statues, and rich history. It is one of the most visited tourist attractions in Prague. Charles Bridge is a true iconic of the Czech capital, the image that every traveler wants to carry away from their visit to this city. Whether it's daytime, sunset, or nighttime, Charles Bridge offers the visitor a unique picture. Charles Bridge is Prague's oldest bridge, linking the old town with the Malá Strana neighborhood, where Prague Castle stands. It was built between 1357 and 1402 and was the only viaduct in the city which crossed the river Vltava. It is considered to be one of the most important Gothic structure. The single most outstanding feature of Charles Bridge is its statues. The entire length of the bridge, 500 meters, is lined on both sides with around 30 sculptures, which lend a certain grandeur to the crossing between the two sides of the city.
I pray you will make it come true. Or else in time.
Stand here, go.
That's the end of Charles Bridge, or the beginning, whatever you may
Take a
feel.
picture of yours here.
And there are people painting. You will see this is a common sight. And Charles Bridge, and you can climb to the top also. Can you see people there? You can climb to the top. We have no energy. And Kaira,
You wanna get your portrait made?
you want to? Yeah, okay.
Come, let me have a picture of yours first.
This is the crossing. Now we'll go to Old Town.
Old Town to see the astronomical
Old Town Square to see the astronomical
and
clock.
Tyne Church.
I'm Tyne Church. So let's first cross this busiest street. It's a busy street. And say by to Charles Bridge. This is the entry gate. That's where the concert takes place.
Oh, he's selling tickets.
Okay. This is done. Cross the street. This is like the Japan Shinjuku street.
Correct. And the car is also crossing. Can you imagine?
So guys, this is the astronomical clock.
This is the astronomical clock. And this is the old town, old square. Hustle, bustle, cafes.
What is that?
And a lot of people. Now the clock will strike at what's the time? 2:30, na? It should come out these. Exactly, it's 2:30.
Exactly.
I think it's about to come. It's about to strike.
Oh, it's Time Church. Church of Our Lady before time.
This is the time church.
You have to go. Both places to Johnny.
Time church.
Time Church and astronomical clock. Two places we need to go.
You can go inside also of the time church.
Yes.
I'm waiting for this clock. Kaira, last time when we came to Prague, I saw this twice. But this time, nothing. We'll have to wait till 3.
Movie monument at Jan Hus Monument.
Old Town Square. Hi, Old Town Square. How are you feeling? Are you feeling cold? No, it's fine. I think the sun is out now. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Beautiful weather. Little sunny. With the beautiful architecture.
The weather is good.
Yeah, weather is very good. You can take a ride in one of these cars. We already tried it last time. Oh, so beautiful.
So guys, this is all from Prague, and I'll see you in Salzburg. And bye and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Bye!